8 plus 1 equal 9. Okay, that's correct. 6 plus 2 equal 8. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Then x plus 4 equal what? So from this pattern, we have to find the value of x and question mark. So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you found and watch my solution in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now take a good look. So it's correct. 8 plus 1 is 9, 6 plus 2, 8, 4 plus 3 is 7. So what is x? So first we will find x and then simply add 4 to it to find the value of this question mark. So if we check the pattern there 8, 6, 4 and then x. So what you notice? There's a difference of 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 6 and 4. There's a difference of 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So what is the value of x? 2. So let's put the value. So it becomes 2 plus 4 which is equals to 6. So what replaces the question mark? 6. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.